A father and son lost their life, but their story exposed a dark reality. And because one voice refused to stay silent, justice was delivered. Hi, I'm Advocate Dipanjali and welcome to Hadsa Around the World, a place where crime are not just reported, they are questioned, they are challenged and they are exposed. June 19, year 2020. It was late evening. Sathankulam, a quiet small town in Tamil Nadu. A 58-year-old P. Jairaj and his 31-year-old son J. Benix were at their small mobile shop. The country was under lockdown and the shops were supposed to shut early. But at that night, their shutter didn't come down in time. And within few minutes, their life changed forever. Police arrived, argument followed, and before anyone could understand what is happening, a father and son taken away to the police station. No one knew that this is the last time they were seen alive. What was happening inside the police station, that was not law enforcement. It was something far more brutal and something that would shake the entire nation. That night, inside the police station turned into a nightmare. The father and son were allegedly beaten relentlessly hour after hour through the night. The brutality was so severe, it left them physically broken. They were humiliated, they were tortured, and they were denied for basic human dignity. By the time they were produced to the magistrate, they could barely stand. But then also, no one stopped to question that what was already happened. Then, after that, they were sent to judicial custody. But after few days, both father and son were dead. At first, it seemed like just another case. But slowly, disturbing details started emerging. Their bodies showed the clear sign of brutal injuries, and even medical records pointed towards the brutal custodial violence. And after that, the public outrage began to grow. The question that was going in everyone's mind is that how could two persons die just for something as minor as keeping a shop open? This was no longer just negligence, but this was a crime. When this case got the attention of the public, the case has been handed over to the CBI and CBI started investigation. And what they were uncovered was even more horrifying. During the CBI investigation, what was discovered that there were various attempts made to hide the truth. Records were manipulated, evidence were destroyed, even false narratives were created. But this time the system began to crack. Witness came forward, evidence started aligning, and the horrifying reality of what was happening inside the police station could no longer be hidden. The case moved to court and a long legal battle began. The prosecution presented strong evidences to prove the abuse of power, custodial violence, and attempt to cover up the crime. The defense also presented the evidence otherwise, but the fact was too strong to ignore. This case was no longer just about two individuals. It has become a test of justice itself. And then finally, after all the evidences, judgment came. And according to the judgment, 9 policemen were sentenced to death. A rare and powerful verdict given by the court. The court with this verdict has given a clear message that no one is above the law, not even those who wear uniforms. But behind this verdict, there was a story of courage. Constable Revati, a part of the same system, yet chose not to be silent and to take a stand against it. She knew the whole truth. She has herself witnessed that what was happened inside that police station at that night. And despite the risk, she chose to speak. And her testimony became the turning point in this entire case. Because when the system tried to hide the truth, she made sure that it was heard. So if this story shocked you, Make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel Hadsa Around the World, because here we don't just tell stories, we uncover the truth behind them. Thank you.